What's good? This is Young Star CNK Productions for Live. This song, I just made it up. Hope you enjoy it. Freestyle. This song's for anybody who ever been lied to in a relationship. This song is for anybody who ever been beat on in a relationship. Mm. You said that you love her, but you never showed you cared about her. Oh, now she's all alone, crying on my phone. To me, you said that you love her, but you never showed you cared about her. Oh, now she's all alone, crying to me, yeah. Now she's all alone, home alone, crying on the phone to me, yeah. She said he's always hanging out with the boy, yeah. He comes home drunk, tossing and screaming. Oh, and the screaming turned to beat, and the beating turned to bleeding. And oh, and the beating turned to I'm sorry, yeah. Now she's at the ER, sitting all alone. Oh, trying to make lies to the doctor and the police, so she can go home drama free, yeah. Oh, I can't believe it. Oh, he said he'll never cheat, but he just have cheated to me. Oh, I can't believe he said he'll never lie to me, but oh, he beat me for the 5th time. It might be my 6th time or my last time. I don't know how to handle this pain for you and me. I don't wanna get beat again 'cause the pain he released on me. Oh, my face is all pink and blue, purple and blue, and sometimes purple and black. Why he told me you never loved me. Oh, it's time to get away to a better place. Yeah. And if he really cared, he would never put his hand to you, now baby. And if he never cared, he would always do what he said he would do if he loved you. Get away, baby. I can't believe it. He said he'll never lie to me. I can't believe it. He said he'll never cheat on me. Baby. Oh, now you call my phone. She's all alone in the ER. She's bruised up, she's stitched up, she's got tears in her eyes. No, I can't take the pain, this is my last day in glory. I'd rather live in a shelter than get beat again in my big mansion. 'Cause money can't love you, money can't heal my pain, and money can't heal this broken heart for you. Girls out there, if you love your lady, you won't leave her alone, you won't cheat her, you won't beat on her. And ladies, if you love him, you leave him. And if it's vice versa, then guys, you leave her. Whoa.